in the plane, the horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. The point of intersection of these two axes is defined as O00. Both x-axis and y-axis divides the entire plane into 4 parts. Each part is called a quadrant. So this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Now you can see very clearly from 0 to the right hand side all are positive. That's why x, this is x positive and this is x negative, x less than 0. Here in the upward direction y is positive, here also y is positive. But in this case it is x less than 0, y less than 0, whereas in this case x greater than 0, y is less than 0. So any point in first quadrant will have positive coordinates. In second quadrant, x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. Third quadrant, both x and y coordinates are negative. In fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive, whereas y coordinate is negative. Again, if you consider the coordinate axis, x axis, y axis together are called coordinate axis. Now, if you plot points on axis, basically this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and so on. This is again 1, 2, 3 like this. You can plot the points here also like -1, -2, -3 and down it is -1, -2, -3 etc. Suppose you take any point Px comma y, let us say if you take one point here like this and like this, it is nothing but 2 comma 2, means it is at a distance of 2 units from the x axis as well as 2 units from the y axis. So both are having positive coordinates. Suppose you take one point here like this and like this, it is at a distance of 2 units from the negative side of x axis and 1 unit on the positive side. That's why it is -2 comma 1. Like this, you can plot any point in the coordinate axis as well as in the plane. Now, if you take again coordinate axis, if you want to locate a point on x axis, let us say some point here. Now, it has only horizontal distance but no vertical distance. Vertical distance is 0. So that's why any point on x axis can be taken as a comma 0. Same fashion, any point on y axis can be taken as 0 comma b. That means on x axis vertical distance is 0, on y axis horizontal distance is 0. Now if you can take coordinate axis, take one point here px comma y. Now you can find out the distance between these two. The distance of this point px1 y1 is given by, you know the formula, root of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, that is root of x square plus y square. Suppose you take one more coordinate axis like this, take one point here, take one more point here, px1 comma y1, qx2 comma y2, then how to find out the distance between these 2 points? It is square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square.